In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reactivate your Messenger account if you've deactivated or deleted it. I believe you have up to 30 days to restore an account if you've deactivated it or removed it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is sign into Messenger and select the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Then at the top left under menu, you want to select the settings gear button. Scroll down on this page near the bottom where it says personal details. Go ahead and select that. Underneath account settings, select personal details. Underneath account ownership and control, manage your data, modify your legacy contact, deactivate or delete your accounts and profiles. Go ahead and select that, and then there would be an option to reactivate your account, assuming you haven't lapsed the period that you've had the ability to restore it. And that's pretty much all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.